Hey guys, Armin from Wholesale Helper here. Welcome to our little demonstration video for our newest third-party app integration. This time we are doing Rebuy personalization engine. This is a powerful app that has a lot of widgets and features that enhance the native Shopify elements. Now, to activate this integration, all you have to do is open Wholesale Pricing Discount, click on Settings, Integration, which will open a list of all our third-party app integrations. There you can search for Rebuy, click on Settings and enable it. It's already done on my store. I've also enabled some widgets from Rebuy. Now to see it in action, I've created this little demo store here. So we can go ahead and search for some products. I'll search for hydrogen, which is a snowboard collection here. And as you can see, the discounts are already loaded. Now I can click Add to Cart, which will open the side cart from Rebuy, already loaded with our discounts. I've also added some upsells here, which we might as well add since it's a good deal. Now, if I close all of that, scroll down a little bit, you can see I have a product recommendation widget from Rebuy as well, which already has discounts loaded. So let's add this gift card here. It also gets added to cart just fine. Now, the way that our wholesale pricing discount app works is that it collects all the information it needs from a product, like the product ID, variant ID, and so on, and it gets sent to our server, which returns us the discounted prices. Now, the way we've achieved this integration is by using built-in methods and event listeners from Rebuy, which we found through their API documentation, which enables us to load the discounts very, very quickly. One example I can give is that, for example, this smart cart widget loads our discounts quicker than most native sidecar drawers in Shopify themes. So that should be a good benchmark. Regarding some limitations, our app uses the Shopify draft order API, which does not support subscriptions, so we cannot use the subscription upsells from Rebuy. Besides that, we don't support any post-purchase upsells because our app using draft orders requires it to control the checkout, and only one app can make the request, so it's also a pricing discount in this case. As mentioned, activating the integration is very easy. You just have to click on Settings and enable it. If for any reason you do not see the integration menu, please feel free to reach out to our customer support team anytime. They'll be happy to help you out. Let me know if this was clear. If there's any questions, let me know.